What if China built a fighter jet designed to compete with the world's most advanced aircraft? Meet the J-35, China's new stealth fighter. The J-35 is a fifth-generation combat aircraft developed to improve stealth, speed, and battlefield awareness. Its sleek design helps reduce radar detection, making it harder for enemies to spot. The aircraft is expected to carry advanced air-to-air missiles and modern electronic warfare systems. One of the J-35's biggest advantages is its stealth technology, allowing it to operate in dangerous environments while remaining difficult to detect. Military experts believe the J-35 could play an important role in both Air Force and naval operations in the future. With advanced sensors, modern weapons, and stealth capabilities, the J-35 represents China's latest step in military aviation. As more information becomes available, the world will be watching closely. Would you choose the J-35 or the F-35?